add Collaborator on Instagram after posting? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add Collaborator on Instagram after posting something. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up Instagram, you forgot to invite the collaborator on a certain post. So let's say you had a certain post, you forgot to invite the collaborator with your friends. Can you invite them as a collaborator after posting? Well, let us get through that option. So you tap on the three dots option here, and you can see at the very maximum, the option that I have is edit. So if I tap on edit, I can definitely choose to tag some people here, but also edit my caption. So I can tap on the tag people option here, then I can simply go ahead and tag that person, but I cannot invite someone as a collaborator, and unfortunately Instagram doesn't allow inviting someone as a collaborator after you already posted something. The only way that you can do so is that if you go ahead and then basically just delete this particular Instagram post, or you can ask the another person to post it while inviting you as a collaborator. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then figure out the issue. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.